RTI Properties is a fully integrated real estate investment and management company founded in 1986 by Robert Abbasi and headquartered in Southern California. The firm has grown from a singular enterprise as an apartment complex investor and manager to become a nationally recognized real estate management, repositioning, operations, and private real estate lending. As complementary operations, RTI maintains a brokerage operation and an entity involved in targeting investment opportunities across the country. RTI continues to believe that substantial opportunities exist for acquiring or investing in undervalued properties across the country. RTI and its affiliates have a long history of providing its investors with impressive returns while minimizing the risk of capital loss. Since its formation in 1986, RTI and its affiliates have successfully navigated investments through turbulent market cycles. These investments include a broad range of property types in geographic regions across the United States, with billions of dollars in transactions. RTI's apartment portfolio has returned an average of approximately 28% annually. In comparison, the S&P 500 averaged 10.4% for the same period. Real estate investment trusts provided annual gross return of 11.9%. During the previous cycle of acquisitions, RTI owned and managed about 5,000 multifamily units. RTI currently owns and manages approximately 3,000 multifamily units, along with retail, office, and storage interests nationwide.